How to create folder for iPhone photos. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The Photos app allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Go to the Collections section below. On this page, go to Albums as shown. You can view all your photo albums over here. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon. Then, tap on New Folder. Name your new folder and then tap on Create. You have successfully created a new album. You can now add in photos and videos from your library to this album. Following these steps, you can easily create folder for iPhone photos. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.